In this video, I will show you step by step how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. So to do this, just go and open up your Tonkeeper wallet, and then from the home screen right here, you just want to click on Buy Ton. Now there are 4 options, so it's MoonPay, Neo Crypto, Mercurio, or Transact. Now if you want to buy with a credit card, then you can go with MoonPay or Neo Crypto. If you want to do it with your bank, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or one of the other options, then Mercurio is perfectly fine. So I'm going to use Apple Pay, so I'll go with Mercurio. Then here click Open Mercurio, and then from here you can then enter how much you want to buy. For example, I'll do 60 dirham. Then you can see how much you will receive, and then click on Buy. And now you can just continue with Fast Track. Now here I'm just going to select Apple Pay since I want to use Apple Pay, and then click Buy with Apple Pay, and then just go and pay for it. Now then, after you complete the payment, the money will then show up within a few minutes in your Tonkeeper wallet. So now you know how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.